Hi everyone, I hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid Chris. So right now, XRP, it's come up impulsively and it's retracing to a nominal level of support at the moment. It's retracing to this low. Okay, this correction here, this retracement is really important. It's going to give the game away to the future of XRP, because if you start to come down and you start to lose this low right now, you know this is really negative for XRP. And I do think you're coming down to a minimal around about 39-40 cents basically, because you'll be creating something called a big reversal wave, because you've come up impulsively, and right now all you're doing is retracing to a nominal left support to come back up, take out that high, and you've got a continuation of this uptrend that you're in, looking to attack that level of resistance just there. Okay, once you break out of that resistance, that huge horizontal that we've been targeting, then that's really bullish and you're looking to break to the upside. And if you start to come down and you lose this low right now, you are creating a reversal wave and you're coming down to the 1618 just there for XRP. So right now, you know, it's looking good, it's looking pretty tasty. We have broken out of a key level resistance right there, we're coming back up the stairs, and you know, we're looking to retrace to this low. Okay, so right now you can see we bounced off the 382 at 75 cents. We've had a lovely little retest of that, but there is potentially, you know, if we're not careful here, if we take a look at the daily, I would imagine, yeah, there is some kind of double M top pattern that might begin to form here. So that's a key level resistance right now, 382, 75 cents. Okay, you are falling back into the EMAs. Like I said to you, getting overextended, come back into the EMAs, coil up, create some kind of continuation pattern here, and then coil up and then boom, break out basically. But this could be classed as some kind of double M top pattern and descending triangle pattern. Look, you've got a high, you've got a low, and you've got a lower high right now, and you're sort of depleting buying pressure. It's a negative pattern basically. So it's all about that support of 75 cents, because if you do start to see XRP lose that support, I do imagine you're going to have an impulsive break target. And I'll show you that right now, and you could actually be in for a deeper retracement just here of around about 69 cents, which would essentially bring you down to the golden ratio at 66 cents just there. But if you start to come down like this, okay, you start to come down, you lose this support now of 75 cents on the 382, you start to come down like that and start to come, you have to hold this, support, because if you do start to come down like that and you come down, lose them lows, then boom, you're down there, and you can see you start closing below that, you know, and then you're not going to get the breakout to the upside here for XRP. So let's take a look on the hourly time frame and see what we can see. Okay, is there any patterns? There is some kind of little falling wedge here at the moment. I'll show you. So just here, you've got a key level resistance, you've got some price compression on the go here as well, you've got that key level support, so it's some kind of little falling wedge. You see you're getting really close to the apex, so something's going to give here. Now if you start to break out, you're going to retrace to each point of resistance on this falling wedge basically. You do usually retrace to where you come create the wedge basically, so it could offer a lovely little long up of around about 6.85%. but that if that is the correction right there, which is some kind of bizarre correction to be honest with you, if that is the correction done, then I would imagine you're going to come up and break that high. Once you break that high, you're going to be an impulsive break to that, okay, and it could offer an amazing long opportunity on Bybit with a stop loss. It's all about breaking this resistance right now. We have traded these before, and obviously if you start to lose the support, you can see you're going to come down, and with that you're going to have a technical target of a falling wedge from there to there. You start to lose support wherever it is towards the apex, you can see you're losing this low, and essentially you've got your double M top pattern and you are rolling, and you are going to come down to the golden ratio down there at 66 cents. And with that, you know, that needs to hold. You start falling any lower than that, and especially 786, you can see you're creating a monster reversal wave, you're losing support, and you're going to come down and retest the lows down there of that one fib at 54 cents. Fall through that, boom, you're on the 1618 down there at 40 cents, and you've lost these lows that you're putting in the summer, and you're losing these lows right now, which is the most important lows. You can't afford to lose them, because that's giving the game away. Like I said to you, this retracement is what we're looking for. This will give the game away, whether or not you're in a bear market or you are still in a big corrective phase of a bull market basically. And this is beautiful, impulsive break, but you've not ran to that white line, which is what I do think XRP is trying to get to. So yeah, it's all about holding this support right now. If we can break out of this little falling wedge that we're forming just there, start to break out, everyone will get really fearful at this point of this correction, but all it was an opportunity, wasn't it? So right here we got overextended just here in this big ascending triangle, coiled up, lost support, came back down to the 382, 75 cents, ran up. Okay, you've got a bit of a double M top pattern just there as well, just there, descending triangle, which I lost support of. It's still tradable events. I'll teach you everything. Let's have a look, see if that target's been met. Okay, so just here you've got a double M top pattern, see that? That's double M top pattern. Lost it, ran into resistance, continued with the trend. Has that target been met? Let's have a look. So from there to there is your technical target, and you can see that you lost the support boom, and you've actually met the technical target. Look at that, beautiful. So it's not an amazing opportunity really. It's a small little trade around about 4%, and you've actually held support of the technical target. You've met the technical target of a double M top pattern just there, and essentially some kind of descending triangle, depleting buying trend, close to the apex, got the reaction and broke down. So right now you're toying here. There's a key level support that you're holding, and you've met the technical target, and you're right in the apex of this falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You start to break out here, your correction's done, you retrace, and you're looking to come back up to that high at least. So this is a bit of a long op right now for XRP, a retracement of around about 16% to that high. Now if you start to break that high here, you are going to be an impulsive wave target to the high just there. Let me show you. You're going to be an impulsive wave target to 103. So from here right now, with a stop loss on Bybit, the links in each and every single video description, you're looking at a potential 31% long opportunity right there, okay? But if you start to fall out of this pattern right now, that's negative. You're going to lose it basically, and I would imagine retest these lows, and with that you've got a short up all the way down to the golden ratio at a bare minimal, so you could see you could start to fall, and you're looking at around about 10% short up. But obviously you set stop losses, you trade on confirmation. That's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.